You spent thousands on your Dyson V10, but now the trigger won't even click. You press it, nothing. And suddenly, the clean home you're used to becomes harder every day. If you're nodding along, you're not alone. This is the classic Dyson trigger problem, and it's one of the most common issues plaguing V10 and V11 owners. So, what's going on? It's not your fault. Inside the handle, a tiny plastic support tab on the trigger mechanism is prone to cracking under normal use. Once it breaks, it can't properly engage the power switch. Ignoring it means it will eventually fail completely, leaving you with a very quiet, very expensive cleaning wand. But what if you could put that worry into the hands of a professional? At RoboCare, we live and breathe these machines. We are the service and repair experts for your beloved home gadgets right here in Malaysia. We've seen this exact problem hundreds of times. Our certified technicians will diagnose the issue accurately, use genuine replacement parts, and bring your device back to life. It's not just a fix, it's an upgrade. This precise vacuum repair ensures your Dyson won't suffer from the same weakness again. We have the specialized tools and the experience to do the job right the first time, saving you time and frustration. But you don't have to take our word for it. Let's see the result. And just like that. After a quick RoboCare vacuum repair, this Dyson is back, more responsive and reliable than ever. That's the RoboCare difference. Ready to bring your Dyson back? Visit our service center or ask about our easy courier options nationwide. Contact RoboCare today.